But Gopal Mahadevan from Ashok Leyland has been patiently waiting by. Gopal, thanks for waiting in. You won several defense orders as well from the government. How much is the defense business currently aiding to your overall financials?
The defense business typically is, contributes about 3 to 4% of our revenues. We still continue to be one of the largest logistics provider to the armed forces, and we are extremely proud of that. We are certainly building on that lineage to grow our defense business. We have won quite some orders in this, which will get executed over the next 2 to 3 years. Well, as the defense sector opens up and the government is going to tender more and more onto the for the sector, I think that we will be participating in them and getting a greater share of the business. So we are positive on the defense business.
Finally, leave us with the investment guidance and the capex outlay that you have for FY19.
No, I think, Ashok Leyland's revenues significantly depend on the MHCV segment, and that's one of the reasons why we have seen this growth, which is revenues have grown by nearly 52% for this quarter, and our PAT has actually grown by nearly about 170%. The reason why this has happened is, more importantly, if you look at the TIV, the total industry volume has nearly grown by about 40 to 45%. And on a YTD basis, I think that the industry has possibly turned the corner, because you've seen about the YTD volumes going up by 10%. This is for both buses and trucks put together. Now, if you were to really break it into tonnage, because you see what is happening now currently is you're having larger tonnage vehicles being sold in the country. So if you were to look at it in terms of tonnage, on a 9-month basis vis-a-vis what has been sold in the same period last year, you would actually see that the total industry volume should have grown. It's an estimate that it would be anywhere between 17 to 20%.
Gopal, good speaking with you. Thank you so much for taking the time out and analyzing Q3 as well as vision for the future quarters ahead. That's all then on this edition of Closing Trade.